Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm excited today to show you how to do this airbrushed flawless skin look using only SeneGence products. Super easy, super won't go anywhere once you get it on, but also super healthy for your skin. I have linked all the videos below for how I achieved this full face SeneGence look. Keep watching, comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in a minute. Alright, first step to a flawless airbrushed look is you're going to start with the Silk Pore and Wrinkle Minimizer, and you're just going to put a little bit right on your fingers and just pat it into your skin, kind of like a downward motion. It doesn't take much. And it makes a tremendous difference. Not only does it like seriously minimize any sort of flaws that you have in your skin, it'll be working on fixing them while you wear it because it has Seneplex in it. So while you wear it, your skin's actually getting better. Now after you put that on, you want to let it set for about 10 minutes. So I'm going to bop over and do my eyes. Click that little banner up there if you want to watch that, or you can just press pause and wait to see how I do the rest of my foundation. Alright, let's finish this face and get rid of these black eyes. So, some people like to put their concealer on after foundation. Some like to put it on before. I kind of take the best of both worlds. I like to put it on before and then touch up any spots I have left afterwards. So, again, with my favorite fluffy brush, can you guys tell I like these things? By the way, amazing deal on Amazon. I'll link it below if you guys want it. So then I just squeeze a little bit out the top. And this is the SeneGence Concealer and Light. This stuff is a miracle in a bottle. You're not going to believe how it takes care of my face. So I'm just gonna go along here. You guys can see I've got some fun breakout stuff happening. And I'm just gonna brush it along my jawline to start concealing that fun stuff that's going on. Okay, and then I just go up along over my eyebrows. It'll give them better definition later when I show you guys how to do the BrowSense. This stuff is amazing and so easy to use. And then the brush is great for concealing because it just kind of like, it's like airbrushing. It's wonderful. So I just kind of like do a little circular patting motion and it works great. I mean, can you guys believe that already? Like, wow. Okay, and now I'm gonna clean up this mess around my eyes and take care of those pit circles that are under there. Still like concealer, still the same brush. All that, and we haven't even gotten to the flawless foundation step, you guys. Okay, so let's get to that, shall we? So for this, what you're gonna need is your personal shade of MakeSense. I like the anti-aging MakeSense, guys. Just get it. It's gonna work on your skin. It's amazing. It's wonderful. I use Porcelain. I will be more than happy to help you find your perfect shade if you need it. And then here is a key ingredient, Pearlizer MakeSense. We're gonna mix this with our shade, put it all over, and it's just gonna give us that radiant, dewy, fresh look. So what I do is I just put like a little bit of the Porcelain, and then I put the exact same amount of Pearlizer. Okay? Then I'm gonna take my stippling brush. This is the key component to this flawless airbrush look. You're gonna want a stippling brush. Just mix it together. And then you're gonna dab it all over, and then we're gonna blend it in. Always blend into your neck a little bit. And make sure you blend into your hairline. Nobody wants to be looking like they're wearing a mask. Okay, so next up, we are going to take that light concealer again, touch up anything that needs touched up. Same fluffy brush, you guys got the drill. Okay, time for blush. I think I'm gonna use Toasted Rose today. Okay, and for this, I like to use an angled fluffy brush. Some people like to use stippling brushes, some people like to use their fingers. I personally find this the easiest. And again, same little trick. You just squeeze a little bit out the top and brush it on your brush. Isn't that a beautiful color? And you barely need any. This stuff is so pigmented, it's amazing. Like one bottle is probably going to last me, I don't know, the rest of my life. And there you go. It's literally that easy to have airbrushed skin. I mean, look at that. And I didn't even have to use a lot of it. So keep watching if you want to see how I use the BrowSense. And then after that, I will put a lip color on for you all and I will show you the finished face at the end of this. Okay, and last, to finish off our airbrush look. This translucid powder is the best powder you will ever use in your entire life. Tap it on your hand, get it in those bristles. I brush up. Helps with any pores that have tried to hang out and still hide on my face. Check that out. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I have linked all the videos below that gave me this whole look right here. Hopefully give me a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, and I will look forward to seeing you next time.